Students, submit your IP topic by today. Kindly note that the final IP submission will be immediately after the autumn break without fail.
Relational databases using SQL.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்களை பத்தி சொல்லுங்க.
என் பேர் ஜி சங்கர். தற்போது பெருநகர்ச்சியில் தூய் படிப்பு இருந்து வருகிறேன்.
As I browsed YouTube for my IP ideas, my old video with the waste disposal worker which I did as my IP project in last year popped up. I was reminded of the countless struggles they face daily. From scorching heat to pouring rain, they tirelessly work behind the scenes, keeping our society clean and hygiene. Their dedication often goes unnoticed, yet their work is invaluable. Their struggles resonated deeply within me. In that moment, a question echoed in my mind. What if we could ease their workload, make their lives a little easier and show our appreciation for all that they do? So, with my CS teacher, Srimati Manjula ma'am's guidance and support, I have created a simple Python MySQL IP project that can make waste disposal work easier and more efficient in future. To accomplish my mission, I utilized the MySQL connector model to establish a connection between Python and MySQL. Since passwords vary across the system and users, I used getPass module to overcome it. The getPass module asks users for the password which will be proceeded as the password of the database while the program execution. Then I used a module called Pretty Table which enhanced the presentation of the SQL table in Python ideally. Then I created user-defined functions for creating cursor, predefined tables, inserting and dropping values into the table, and an option for switching operation between the tables too. Then the program flows accordingly. You guys might be wondering how this Python MySQL program actually going to help the waste disposal workers. Well, think about this. A waste disposal worker enters ward number 12. Without any records, he has no clue whether the waste there will be 20 kilos or 200. He brings a small truck, but the waste is overflowing. Now, he has to go back, get a bigger vehicle, waste his time and double his effort. But if they had a proper access to a database like this, they would already know that Ward 12 generates around 200 kilos of waste every day. The team could send a bigger vehicle right away, no extra trips, no extra effort. It may look like a simple program today, but it's a glimpse of something bigger, a future where technology and compassion work in hand to make waste management smarter. In last, as a conclusion, I have a question to ask you people. Can this IP inspire young minds like us to harness technology and improve the lives of people like G. Shankar, not only making their work easier but also help them to be updated for the upcoming sci-fi world? Why or why not?